guys, we're here at the Detroit Metro Airport. It is currently 4-something a.m. We were up here filming some stuff, so now we're flying out to Charlotte, North Carolina to give a visit to Ginger Billy. Me and Ben out here, so we're getting on board in about an hour and a half. Flight leaves at 6, so just getting ready to go.
All right, what's up everyone? Ben and Jake here. We're both deliriously tired. We've been trying to film this intro here for a minute, and we're not vibing, dude. We're on a couple days of little sleep. The last 2 days, our day started around 3:30 in the morning, and been going late into the evening. Had a little layover in Baltimore this morning, but we landed in Charlotte about an hour ago. We're in South Carolina now in our grandma mobile. Got the Buick. Borrowed it from a grandfather over here in Florida. But anyways, we're gonna shoot some cool content with Ginger and get back to Charlotte and back home.
All right, we're here at Ginger Billy's house, and he has quite the large amount of toys. He also has a dirt bike track that's all tilted up back here right now. Here's a moped extravaganza. Ben's getting ready to film. And we're gonna take some pictures with the TRX.
All right, so we're going over here. We're gonna take this photo with him. Jake is getting the camera ready for the shot. So this is the cameraman. This is the famous cameraman. I want to say what's up to you too, brother.
What's up, YouTube?
Super cool dude. Like I said, Jake's getting ready over there. Got the TRX. My man's putting his Daisy Dukes on.
I think this is good. Oh, that's
yeah,
great.
Even better.
Just keep doing random poses. I'll snap.
All right, let's do it. Ready?
I love it. Man, boy.
See, my body is good, I guess, so yeah, you're probably right. Oh, my shoes untied.
You can barely see it, but...
God damn, I need to be in a calendar. Niagara Falls is a really cool waterfall, even though the American side's better. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to the Dodge Ram TRX. 702 horsepower, supercharged. If you drive this truck, you better have some extra underwear. Because when you hit that gas, it will make you poo yourself.
Yep.
The Bilstein shocks make the T-Rex float like a cloud.
Go ahead. All right, so we're getting some rolling shots right here.
Dodge Ram TRX, baddest truck on and off the road that you will ever find in the history of trucks.
So Jake is walking out with Ginger here. We're planning out some little action shots, and I'm gonna throw the drone up in the air while Jake's filming on the A7 III, and we'll see what we got coming up.
This 6.2 liter supercharged 702 horsepower engine will make this truck fly like a fighter jet. Truck gang! If y'all would like a chance to win my Dodge Ram TRX and the opportunity for you and a friend to spend the day with yours truly, all you have to do is click the link in the description below and enter the raffle. God bless you.
We gotta take him to Silver Lake in that side-by-side.
Good? Oh yeah.
Where's that track at over there?
Oh, it's off. I'll have to get on a side-by-side. We'll have to go show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so Ginger is gonna take us out back where they have a little bit of a bigger track. Jake's back there right now with his son. Not Jake's son, Ginger's son. And they're doing some dirt biking.
Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for the ride. There he is right there.
There he is, there he is.
All right, I want to see something, a hill clicker or something. That's what I came over here for.
Jake, show me what you got, man.
A roller coaster.
What do you say, Ginger?
Oh, I'm having a blast, man.
Let's do it.
We don't have a lot of folk out here in the country come visit, so it's nice to have some playtime.
Yeah, buddy.
Get it, boy!
Pros don't get rid of.
Get it, boy! There he goes. You have to bring him back down.
guys, I'm a little sweaty. Ginger Billy let me take his KTM 250 for a rip on his dirt bike track on his property. And now we are heading out of South Carolina, heading back over to the hotel by the airport in Charlotte. And we had a lot of fun. We're doing a raffle for the TRX, so make sure you check that out in the description and enter to win. And you can also win a day with Ginger Billy if you win the TRX as well. And you can bring a friend. So check that out. It'll be in the description. Ben, you got anything?
Man, appreciate you guys for watching. Enjoyed the fun.
Yep. See you guys.